What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building. So glad you're here today because y'all, we are turning the table on pampering ourselves, and that's exactly what I did today. I did my hair, I gave myself a facial, I did my makeup, and I also did some nails today. Y'all, I want to thank so much Jofay Fashion for collaborating with me on this pamper me kind of day. I have some goodies for y'all that you are going to be amazed by, and I want you to stick and stay till the end of this video because I am going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, and yes. Has it been a minute? I know it has been. Glad you found the channel, and I'm glad you are here in this video today. Let's get right into what I'm talking about, y'all. Let me share with you that your girl did some nails today. Pretty hands, and I am loving them so much. Again, from Jofay Fashion. Now, will you take a look at these beautiful nails that I have here? Oh my goodness. Jofay Fashion is a cruelty-free and vegan nail brand. Love that for me, and I love that for you. Now, let me tell you this also. Gone are the days that I have of sitting forever to get my nails done and actually sitting at home doing them myself. I found out that press-ons are my thing, and that's what Jofay Fashion specializes in, and that is my thing, and that's why I want to share them with y'all. I get so many questions about my hands and my nails, but you know what? I like to keep it simple, but I like to take special time out for my hands and nails. You don't have to spend hours doing that. And before I forget, I do have a special link for my audience in the description box for those of you who want to purchase your own nails from Jofay Fashion. And guess what? It's right on Amazon. Isn't that great? Y'all know that's my thing, right? Okay, well, let me also share with you about these amazing nails. Take a look here. Take a look at these nails, y'all. You get 24 fake nails, the nail glue, 3 non-woven pads, a mini file, and a cuticle stick in the package as well. Now, I was blown away by the selection of different styles, unique designs that Jofay Fashion Nails had on the Amazon site. If you want to elevate your nail game, Jofay Fashions is it. You know, the nail designs out there are so amazing, and nail design has evolved so much. But just because you're wearing press-on nails, that doesn't mean you can't do self-expression and style statement. These nails will give you all of that. Jofay Fashion Nails is a brand that specializes in handcrafted press-on nails, and they are designed to perfection. They have so many nails that the designs can cater to your various occasions, moods, from elegant to funky, and everything in between. And you can check it out and look at the different shapes, sizes, and designs. You can find coffin, even stiletto, and almond shape, ensuring that everyone can find a design that suits their preference. I will have the 4 designs that I chose below. Now, these are all my kind of style of nails, but I'm willing to share one of these with my beautiful babes. But again, stick and stay to the end so you'll see exactly which one I'm giving away. I chose the Jofay Fashion French coffin acrylic nail. I also chose a ballerina style. I chose the cracking handmade adhesive style, and I also chose the colorful ballerina whirlpool. So I'm going to share with you me applying these nails and letting you see all of the goodies that came along with them. Of course, you get, again, 24 nail pieces. You also get the nail glue, a mini file, a cuticle stick, everything that you need in order to make your nails look amazing. So when I started off doing my nails, of course you have to select which size you want. I went ahead and prepped my nails because I already had polish on them and it was looking so crazy. It was time for me to go ahead and take care of these nails, and I did. I went ahead off camera and removed my nail polish, buffed my nails, shaped them, and prepped them with alcohol. Their kit came with the non-woven pads that I cleaned off my nails with, and then I was prepared to go ahead and size up which nails for each finger that I needed. I went ahead and did that, y'all, and started to press them on. It came with the glue, and right now I can't tell you how long it's going to wear because I'm relatively new to the glue, but I'm believing this is going to work for me. I will keep you updated on the nail glue adhesion as the days wear on. Y'all, once I completed my nails, amazing. Look at there. They look professionally done. The other thing about these nails is that they are sturdy. Yes, they are. Not only that, they are super affordable. These nails are made with acrylic material. Bending it can rebound with no cracking. Absolutely amazing. And they have a real gel finish on them. That is what's so amazing. That will allow them to last 2 weeks plus on your nails. That is what also makes them super resilient. There you go. The nails are done. They are looking super cute. And y'all, again, these are affordable and right on Amazon. Jofay Fashions. Don't look anywhere else for your press-on nails. Again, affordable, resilient, beautiful nails, stylish in a multitude of different styles for everyone's taste. And can you get any better than that? Y'all, the nails I love so much. Beautiful, beautiful. My style as well. And I'm wearing the Jofay Fashion French tip nails. This is the one that I used. However, I have 3 more to choose from. This time around, I'm going to be giving away a set of these nails, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. First of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Absolutely a must, okay? Then please make sure you turn on your notification bell, because when I announce the winner, you will definitely want to know that you've won. I just simply need for one of my beautiful babes, or how many ever of my beautiful babes, to email me at beauty@sweetangel.org. Please provide your full name, address, telephone number, and also stay on the lookout on the 15th for an email from me announcing who has won. If you don't get an email on the 15th, that means that someone else was selected. I will send them the email first, and I will announce the winner on my channel to congratulate them, and I will announce the winner on one of my videos upcoming on the channel. But let me tell you, you only have 24 hours to claim your prize. Again, email me at beautybysweetangel.org. Provide your full name and address and your telephone number, and I will let you know who the lucky person is. These are the nails that I'm giving away. So pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Y'all stick and stay right here because I have so many goodies coming up for y'all. You're going to be amazed. I want to thank Jofay Fashions for collaborating with me on today's video. Guess what? Your hands are going to be looking gorgeous as well. Y'all, I'm super excited. Thanks again, Jofay. And I want to thank my beautiful babes for coming to hang out with me today. Y'all, I am smiling from ear to ear because I'm excited. I love this. I love it so much. And I love my nails. Oh my goodness. So cute. So fancy. So me. So me. Absolutely. Thanks y'all for coming to hang out with me today, beautiful babes. Y'all already know it's more to come right here, so stick and stay. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Make sure you don't miss the description box. That's where all the good information is about the nails that I'm rocking right now, my other nails that I have, and I can't wait to put those on. So check out the description box. Make sure you do that. Make sure if you want to win the nails that I showed y'all, make sure you follow the instructions thoroughly. And I will be choosing a winner from the group of emails. Again, I will send out a confirmation as to who won on the 15th of May, so look for that email. I am out of here, y'all. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember to always share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.